So hello, we are Team Unregister and this is our product. This product is a Twitter AI agent which any user in the Twitter can use. A user in the Twitter will need to mention their Ethereum address while mentioning our bot, and as a response our AI agent will gives a on-chain reputation score associated with that address. The reputation score will include things like past on-chain activities and the transactions that the user has performed, and through that it will generate a score associated with it. Now let us see the interface how it actually goes. So this is our project repo, and here we have used Elisa framework as to generate and to create a Twitter AI agent. It provides multiple plugins. One of it is Twitter, and we have used Google Gemini as a model provider to engage a healthy conversation between our chats. And this Twitter AI agent will make sure that this particular action file has been followed. This action file includes set of functions and instruction step by step which are need to be followed to reply any of the related tweet. Now let us see how this interface actually looks. So this is our Twitter AI agent interface. This interface mimics that of the Twitter interface. As you can see, if we provide here with a wallet address and gives a prompt to find on-chain reputation score related to it, so our agent will run that action file and extract the address from that prompt and will give a on-chain score related to it. As you can see, the certain actions are being seen in the terminal which are being formed through the action file, and this is our score which we have received. There are multiple criteria on which the score has been decided, like the total transaction, are these transactions failed, how many of this amount failed, and what are the active days of that particular address. And you can see a score of 78.5 has been associated with my address, which shows that this is a address which you can trust on. And if we again give the same query with the same address, it will then to generate the same on-chain score for it, which shows that our model is legit and doesn't emits out random data to the same address for a given interval of time. So this is our action file, and we have used Arbitrum smart contract to deploy this. As you can see, there would be a Rust file here. This Rust file is made through Arbitrum stylus, which includes the set of functions which are meant to be here. These functions will store the on-chain data of a particular address to the Arbitrum, and this is the contract of the particular Arbitrum contract, and this is the ABI key for it. Now we will see how the front end or the chat end, how the front end for our app actually looks like. We have used Civic as our auth provider, and it currently provides Google and GitHub as our for us to authenticate. In future too, they have promised that they would be providing wallet integration, which would be much easier for us. And here we have authenticated as an through Google. And now we will actually go to our dashboard, how it actually looks like. So this is our dashboard. Since we haven't been registered from our wallet, so we will manually put our account address here. Now we will see how it actually goes. By clicking the submitting button, you will see a pop-up interface. This pop-up interface through MetaMask shows that our transaction is asking to be signed, and this transaction is actually on an Ethereum Arbitrum Sepolia network. And after confirming this transaction, the on-chain score associated with that particular address has been added as a toast icon you can see in the bottom. And this file is being checked on the RB scan, which is a scan network for Arbitrum. Now, as we have seen that this account address is actually legitimate account address, since it shows the transaction has associated with it, which are successful by the way. This particular on-chain score associated with that address has been stored on our Arbitrum contract, and this is our product. Thank you.